Set how long to wait before automatically answer incoming calls on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Then tap on Interaction and Dexterity. Now from here, tap on Answering and Ending Calls. Then we go down and tap on the left-hand side panel on Answering Automatically. From here, you can choose after 2 seconds, after 5 seconds, after 10 seconds, or set a custom time, such as after 15 seconds. Then tap on Set. So here, the phone will wait for 15 seconds before it will automatically pick up the call. Finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.